Hi my dear students, welcome back to my channel. SSLC 2021 changed examination pattern ಪ್ರಕಾರ multiple choice questionnaire videos ನನ್ನ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. It has been uploaded for various subjects also. So ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ I have posted a Kannada multiple choice questionnaire series 1. So ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ವಾಚ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಯೋರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕುವಂಥ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೇನ್ ಮಚ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಬೈ ರೆಫರಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. So multiple choice question science series video 1, the first question: what happens when a solution of an acid is mixed with the solution of a base in a test tube? So you all know that when acid combines with the base, the product will be salt and water. And when there is a reaction between acid and base, the temperature of the solution also increases. So here the options are: temperature of solution decreases, temperature of solution increases, temperature of the solution remains the same, salt formation takes place. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 and 4 and ಬಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 and 3, ಸಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 only and ಡಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 and 4 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So option D is the correct answer because when acid react with the base, salt is formed and also the temperature of the solution also increases. Okay, so moving to the next question. When hydrogen chloride gas is prepared on a humid day, the gas is usually passed on the gourd containing the calcium chloride. The role of calcium chloride taken in the gourd tube is anta kottidare. See, basically calcium chloride is a dehydrating agent. That means a drying agent. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, when hydrogen chloride gas is prepared on a humid day, humid ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತೇವಾಂಶ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, moist ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Okay, so when the gas is passed to the gourd tube containing calcium chloride, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ calcium chloride will absorbs the gas which is been evolved because it acts as a drying agent. It absorbs the water. So option C is the correct answer because it absorbs the moisture from the gas. Moving to next question, which one of the following salts does not contain water of crystallization anta kelidare. So options are blue vitriol, baking soda, washing soda and gypsum. And the correct option is baking soda. See, some of the question which I am reading out here is also from the reduced part. Few questions will be there from the reduced part. So never mind to listen those questions because knowledge never go for waste. Next question is, in terms of acidic strength, which one of the following is in the correct increasing order? Water is lesser than acetic acid and acetic acid is lesser than hydrochloric acid. Option B, water is lesser than hydrochloric acid and hydrochloric acid is lesser than acetic acid. Option C, acetic acid is lesser than water and water is lesser than hydrochloric acid. Option D, hydrochloric acid is lesser than water and water is lesser than acetic acid. See, comparatively, ಈ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ water is having less acidic strength compared to acetic acid and acetic acid is having less acidic strength compared to hydrochloric acid. So option A is the correct answer. And moving to the next question, what is formed when zinc reacts with the sodium hydroxide? See, whenever zinc reacts with the sodium hydroxide, sodium zincate is formed. So option B is correct answer. So sodium zincate along with the hydrogen gas will be liberated here. And the formula for sodium zincate is Na2ZnO2. Okay, and moving to the next question is, tomato is a natural source of which acid? See, you have to learn about the natural source of all the things which is given in your textbook. So here in the tomato, we get the oxalic acid as a natural source. And the seventh question is from the reduced part. I just read out the question for you. Brine is and dash they have asked. Brine is actually an aqueous solution of sodium chloride. You must know for a safetier side. Okay. And the eighth question is, Na2CO3 10H2O is dash. Option A, washing soda. Option B, baking soda. Option C, bleaching powder. And option D, tartaric acid. And the correct answer is washing soda. At what temperature is gypsum heated to form the plaster of Paris? I will repeat once again. Some of the questions are from the reduced part. So whenever I read that question, I will inform you. Okay. At what temperature is gypsum heated to form plaster of Paris is from reduced part, and the correct answer is 100 degrees Celsius. And the next question is, how many water molecules does hydrated calcium sulfate contain? See, hydrated calcium sulfate contain 2 molecules of water. Chemical formula of hydrated calcium sulfate is CaSO4 2H2O. And the next question is, sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is of dash. See, it is of weak acid and strong base. That is why sodium carbonate is a basic salt, not the acidic salt. So option D is the correct answer. So the next question is, alkalis are. See, option A is acids which are soluble in water. Acids. Option B, acids which are insoluble in water. Option C, bases which are insoluble in water. And option D, bases which are soluble in water. And the correct answer is bases which are insoluble in water. 13th question. Which of the following statements is correct about an aqueous solution of an acid and of a base? You have to look at all the 4 options and then you have to choose the correct answer. Which of the following statement is correct about aqueous solution of an acid ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Aqueous solution of an acid and of a base. Higher the pH, stronger the acid. Higher the pH, weaker the acid. Lower the pH, stronger the base. Lower the pH, weaker the base. The correct answer is option D. It includes number 2 and number 4. ಅಂದ್ರೆ higher the pH, weaker the acid. ಅಂದ್ರೆ pH ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಸಿಡ್ ವೀಕ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೋಯರ್ ದ ಪಿ ಎಚ್ ವೀಕರ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪಿ ಎಚ್ ಲೋಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಸ್ ವೀಕ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. And the next question is, the apparatus given in the adjoining figure was set up to demonstrate electrical conductivity. Which of the following statements are correct? Bulb will not only glow because electrolyte is not acidic. Bulb will glow because HCl is a strong acid and furnishes ions of. Bulb will glow because HCl is strong acid and furnishes ion for conduction. Bulb will not glow because circuit is incomplete. Bulb will not glow because it depends upon the type of electrolytic solution. Here the correct answer is option C. Bulb will glow because HCl is a strong acid and it furnishes ions for conduction. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಸಿಡ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗ್ಲೋ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ HCl ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಫರ್ನಿಷಸ್ ದ ಅಯಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈಸ್, ಲೈಮ್ ವಾಟರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಸಿ, ಲೈಮ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಲೈಮ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅನದರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಲೇಕ್ಟ್ ಲೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ. So lime water, whenever it reacts with the chlorine gas, okay, it produces calcium oxychloride. It produces calcium oxychloride, which is also called as bleaching powder. And this concept is from reduced syllabus. Okay. And the next question is, nettle sting is a natural source of which acid? See, nettle sting is a natural source of methanoic acid. ಇಲ್ಲಿ spelling wrong ಇದೆ. Please kindly correct the spelling. Methanoic acid, and option A is the correct answer. 17th question, tooth enamel is made up of option A calcium phosphate, option B calcium carbonate, calcium oxide is C option, and D option is potassium. And the correct answer is calcium phosphate. 18th question is, what is the pH range of our body? It ranges from 7.0 to 7.8, 7.2 to 8, 7.0 to 8.4, 7.2 to 8.4, and the correct answer is option A 7.0 to 7.8. 19th question is, rain is called acid rain when its pH falls below 7, pH falls below 6, pH falls below 5.6, pH is above 7. See, when pH is falling below 5.6, so kadame ಆದಷ್ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, acidic value ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So answer C is the correct option. And 20th question is, sodium hydroxide is a dash. It's a weak base, weak acid, strong base, or a strong acid. And the correct answer is a strong base. sodium hydroxide is a strong base. 21st question is, an aqueous solution turns red litmus solution blue. Excess addition of which of the following solution would reverse the change ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರೆಡ್ ಲಿಟ್ಮಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬ್ಲೂ ಆಗಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ರೆಡ್ ಇರೋದು ಬ್ಲೂ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಬ್ಲೂ ಇರೋದು ರೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರೆಡ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. Option A, baking powder. Option B, lime. Then ammonium hydroxide solution and hydrochloric acid. And option D is correct answer, because if the blue litmus has to turn its color from blue to red, then there should be involvement of acid. Question number 22. When copper oxide and dilute hydrochloric acid react, color changes to what? And the options are white, bluish green, bluish black and black. And idu activity based question agide, and correct option is option B, because there is involvement of copper chloride. Okay, copper oxide hydrochloric acid jothe react adre there is formation of copper chloride and there is formation of the bluish green color. 23rd question is, sodium hydroxide is used as an antacid in manufacture of soap, as a cleansing agent in alkaline batteries. And the correct option is option B, in the manufacture of soap. Yakendre sodium hydroxide is a base. Next question is, sodium hydroxide turns phenolphthalein solution to what? It turns to pink, yellow, colorless and orange. And the correct answer is it turns to pink. Chemical formula of washing soda is, see, chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. Okay, and this question is from the reduced part. See, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು question ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ reduced part ಇದೆ, I have informed you. So apart from that, all the other questions will help you for your examination. Okay, kindly share this video with your friends, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet up with another video series.